hunger and fullness cues to prevent overeating. Tip number 11. Consider choosing organic when possible. Organic produce can reduce your exposure to pesticides and may have higher nutrient content. Tip number 12. Cook at home more often. By preparing your own meals, you have more control over the ingredients and can make healthier choices. Tip number 13. Limit added sugars and processed foods. Opt for natural sweeteners like fruits or herbs and choose whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible. Tip number 14. Prioritize rest and relaxation. Getting enough sleep and managing stress are important factors in maintaining a healthy lifestyle. And finally, tip number 15. Have fun with it. Healthy eating doesn't have to be boring or restrictive. Experiment with new recipes, dine out at healthy restaurants, and find ways to make it enjoyable for you. So there you have it, my top 15 healthy eating tips for beginners. Remember, it's all about progress, not perfection. Start incorporating these tips into your routine and watch your health and energy levels soar. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.